Oh, what is going on? What is going on? What's popping, my dolls and divos? Thank you. We are doing another alopecia solution, doing a passion twist crochet technique, giving her a silver fox, revamp. We are using some handmade passion twists. Normally, your girl loves free twists, but I was put on by my beautiful doll. Her daughter bought these beautiful handmade BOHOLOCS. The doll who created this, her Instagram is BOHOLOCS, and I love them. You can tell they are handmade. I even had to go through and twist like two of them because, they were made not on a machine. So they were very soft and nice to use. Of course, we went ahead and did off cam all of my installations, all of my services, include a shampoo. Now, I don't know who the hell told y'all, okay, to cut out shampoo and for a client to add it. Won't you just add that in your price? Don't nobody got time to be WWE and tag teaming with y'all daggone new beauticians, okay? Include a damn shampoo, okay? Anyway, we went ahead and anchored down the attachments to give me all of the security that I need. I use every piece that is possible to make sure that I have all the coverage that I need. Now, I get a lot of questions of the netting, the sliding of the netting. Every customer who is getting an alopecia solution is customized to them. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram, Posh Hair Design Salon Spa, for daily content, okay? So, going around and cutting away the net, and it depends on the area of concern, how much hair loss do they have, what is the style, the parting, yada, yada, yada. And it's more than just the net. That technique also is very important. So if you are suffering from alopecia, go out and seek someone who is a specialist in alopecia, hair loss. Make sure you look because they got some Decepticons, like my man Trent Genius says out here, whoop whoop. They got some Decepticons out here who's trying to get up in the mix. No, stay over there with the roller sets. Let us do this over here, okay? Anyway, you see that? It's beautiful. So what I did with this install, I went ahead and did the perimeter, did the closure first because all we had was that one pack. That one pack did do the whole head. I was very surprised. Like, comment, subscribe. You know y'all encouraging my girl. You encouraging me to put out this daggone content, even though it takes all day. I do not know how y'all do it, YouTube creators, but guess what? I feel like I'm a YouTube creator. Don't you agree? I'm at 1K. Thanks for all my new subscribers. You see me hand twisting that right there? You see me hand twisting that right there? Because these are real, okay? Machine who? Of course, we're going ahead and putting the finishing product on it. I do not use regular foam on traditional styles other than my protective styles. You see that front? You see that illusion? You see that part? You see that sparkle? Now, I ain't do the flipping on the camera for YouTube for the finished product, but y'all see the tea. I'm going to give y'all more than enough content on seeing all of the angles. We ain't doing just one view, dolls and divos. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. And guess what? If you ain't got nobody in your small town, fly on out. We in Atlanta, baby. Until next time, this is she beautiful. Silver Fox. Ow. Make it say put yourself first.